did this group ride in the last video. If you guys did not watch that video, go check it out. It was a fun little cruise. We met up with some people, but it was kind of like last minute. Everyone was living in different areas, and sunset is like pretty early now, so everyone kind of split up. But we did a little, you know, we were like about 6 people. Got so much colder so fast. Beautiful sunset ride. Would have been way more beautiful if it was warmer, but it's okay. Now we're down to 3. We started with like over 10 people, down to like 6, now down to 3, down to 5, and then down to 3. I know, I feel you. I don't have that. I don't have hand warmers. Wow, what we were. Yes. One year later. I'm so excited to get an exhaust for this bike. I really hope it doesn't get delayed. An exhaust with a tune. Oh, I just realized I need to order an air filter too. Totally forgot about that. I knew I was missing something. Need to get that air filter too, to make, you know, that optimal power as much as I can. Squeeze all the horsepower out of this bike, especially because the exhaust I got is obnoxiously loud, but it is not the best for power. Just, you know, as a little hint for you guys. I keep forgetting the shifts over here are a little different than the other bikes. feel the difference in power now. Now that I've gotten more used to the bike, I can see like how like the bike is still like pretty restricted. I'm also like so not used to the rev limiter on this bike, the fact that it's like so high up. I always like short shift on this bike because it doesn't seem natural to leave the bike revving up to like 16.5. You know, I feel like I'm gonna blow my engine, so I usually like I'm shifting at like 12, 13 for whatever reason. Also, I got news that my Scorpion helmet finally is getting shipped. They finally got it back in stock, so that's also exciting. It took literally like 3 or 4 months. Look at that beautiful sunset. Saying that helmet is going to be really nice because it's not going to be as loud as this helmet. I think the audio quality is going to be better for you guys, and it also has adjustable cheek pads where you can inflate them with air so it can fit you better. So all of these are like, you know, bonuses that I'm excited for when I get that helmet. Exhaust, there's so many parts that I'm so excited for. I love and hate getting parts shipped because it's like I like it because it's like sending yourself presents, gifts, you know. Every time a package gets delivered, you're like, yes, I got a, you know, little gift. But I also hate it because, you know, I'm so impatient. I just want all the parts and so I can put them on. Hopefully they don't give me a hard time getting put on. Like, I don't have any fitment issues and stuff like that, because so far we have learned that the V4R is different in a few aspects than the regular V4Rs. I was trying to say the V4 and the V4S, and I said V4s. So yeah, hopefully everything's gonna fit nicely and it'll be, you know, easy and fun. And I'm so excited to see how the bike turns out to be, especially with that exhaust. That's the most thing I'm excited for. You guys should be really excited for that too, because this bike is gonna sound amazing in my opinion. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and support the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.